guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, this one was requested from some time now, but we're going to do some Guinness punch, and this is, guys, I'm going to do it my way. You have a ton of different recipes out there. You can tailor it to how you like it. This is just my way, and I'm sharing it with you guys. If you want to continue watching this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment if you like it, and subscribe to our channel. Let's get straight into this one. Guys, here I have some old-fashioned oats. If you have quick oats, you can always go ahead and use it as well. I'm going to add it to my punch just to give it a little body. Alright, and this, guys, I have some peanut butter powder. I saw it the other day and I was like, wow, I have no idea that peanut butter actually came in the powdered form. Now, if you have the regular peanut, dry peanut, raw peanut, and it is also optional, you don't have to put it in here, but I think that peanut in punches make a big difference. So we're going to add some in this one. So we're going to use just maybe about half cup of the peanut butter powder. If it need more, then I can always go in and add more, right? Now I'm going to go in with my So Good soy milk. If you have almond milk, coconut milk, you can always use it in this one, alright? It's whatever you wish to use or you prefer to use is good. Now I'm going to give this a blend before I add in my Guinness, alright? Alright guys, now I'm going to add in my nutmeg. Salt, and the salt just helps to bring up the flavor, alright? And also my cinnamon powder. And just blend to combine all of this spice together. And to sweeten, guys, I'm going to use some agave. You can use sugar, stevia, anything you have that you prefer, you can use it, alright? We're halfway there, guys, and so far it is looking and tasting so good already. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm gonna add the Guinness. I didn't want to blend the Guinness with the punch because, you know, I don't want the fizz to come out and everything, so I'm going to just add it at this point, as well as my vanilla essence. If you want to add in almond essence, you can go right ahead and do that. I'm going to taste it before to see how I like it before adding in the vanilla, the almond essence. Just a little bit more sweet now. And the almond essence, guys, you can use it just a little toops. You don't need a lot because it is very strong. Alright? Give that a little mix. You're going to add it to the fridge for it to be cool and settled, yes. And the oats can swell up in there and nice. You don't need anything more than this, guys. This is so good. And if you want it to be alcohol free, which in the alcohol in this, guys, this is a smooth one, it's not so strong. But if you don't want to use any alcohol at all, you can also use Malta, because Malta is made from malt and molasses, which is the same thing made the Guinness, alright? So we're just going to add it to the fridge and then we'll return. Alright guys, our juice has been sitting in the fridge for a little while. Now we're going to just taste it and see how it goes. Yes, man. Look at that, look at the texture, the consistency of it. Really nice. We are going to taste it now and see how it goes. Not too thick, guys. The texture is just perfect. Oh my god, you have to give this one a try. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time.